Oh, and we will be in Hawaii then, so she'll be watching the house. Just kidding. Pauwi na. Oh, Ate Nong said she's coming home. Oh, Gilana, your brother said thanks for calling. Your brother said happy birthday. Oh, look, Gilana, go have to find it. This one, the swimming pool. You can do this one, okay? What else? Yeah. And where's the ducky? Where's the ducky? Whoa. Oh, do you have a baby? Gilana, where's Ken? Yeah, there's a Ken. Julie, can you find that? Can you help? Stop eating your finger. You're going to start eating your finger. Where there's supposed to be a car? Is there gonna be a car? See, no, you almost break it. Get out there. Well, you see it. Okay, just help daddy then. Just make sure there's numbered though. Okay. Everybody's assembling. Gilana, don't step on it. Okay, ask Julene to open it. Make sure the numbering though. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do this now. Hi, girls. How are you, girls? No, they're playing. Just Grandma and Jeff. Oh, wow. There's a baby bed. Oh,